Hello, my amazing students. Today I am here to tell you something that will change your life. Listen to me carefully. English is not difficult. English is not impossible. You can speak English fluently, and you can do it faster than you think. I know many of you feel nervous when you try to speak. You hesitate, you get stuck, and sometimes you don't even try because you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you've been learning English for years, but when the time comes to speak, you feel like your mind is empty. You know the words. You understand English when you read or listen. But when you have to talk, you freeze. I understand this because I've also struggled with learning a new language. I know how it feels when you want to say something, but you don't have the right words. I know how frustrating it is when people speak fast and you can't understand them. But today I want to tell you, you don't have to struggle anymore. You don't have to feel stuck, because I will teach you how to learn English in the easiest and most natural way. From today, I want you to forget everything that made English difficult for you. Forget about complicated grammar rules. Forget about trying to be perfect. Forget about fear. Because the biggest reason people fail to speak English is not a lack of knowledge. It is fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment, fear of being judged. But let me ask you a question. How did you learn your first language? Did you study grammar books? Did you memorize long lists of words? Number you learned by listening, by copying, by making mistakes, and by using the language every day. This is exactly how you are going to learn English. You don't need to study English. You need to live English. English should not be something you practice for 1 hour a day and then forget. It should be a part of your life. You should hear it, think in it, and speak it every single day. Now I know what you are thinking. But how do I do that? Don't worry. I will tell you everything in detail. I will not just give you tips. I will take you on a journey where English will become easy and natural for you. So let's begin. Step 1. Stop thinking that English is difficult. The first and most important thing is to change your mindset. If you believe that English is difficult, your brain will always resist learning it. But if you start believing that English is easy, you will learn much faster. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times. But does he stop trying? Number. He gets up and tries again. And after some time, he starts walking without any effort. This is exactly how learning English works. Mistakes are a part of learning. If you are not making mistakes, you are not learning. I want you to say this with me. English is easy. I can speak English. I am learning every day. These words are very powerful. The more you say them, the more your brain will believe them. From today, never say, "My English is bad." Never say, "I cannot speak English." Instead, say, "I am learning and improving every day." This small change in your thinking will make a big difference in your learning. Step 2. Surround yourself with English. Now that you have changed your mindset, the next step is to bring English into your daily life. Many people think they need to live in an English-speaking country to become fluent. But this is not true. You can create an English environment wherever you are. The first thing you should do is change your phone's language to English. Every time you use your phone, you will see English words. This will help your brain get comfortable with the language. Next, you should start thinking in English. Right now, you think in your native language and then translate into English. This makes speaking slow and difficult. Instead, start with simple thoughts in English. For example, When you wake up, instead of thinking, I need to brush my teeth, think, I will brush my teeth now. When you make tea, think, I am making tea. When you go outside, think, the weather is nice today. At first, it will feel strange, but the more you do it, the more natural it will become. After some time, English will start coming to you automatically. Another great way to surround yourself with English is by talking to yourself. Yes, you heard me right. Talk to yourself in English every day. Stand in front of the mirror and have a conversation. For example, hello, how are you today? I am good. I have a lot of work to do, but I am feeling great. This might feel funny at first, but trust me, it is one of the best ways to improve your speaking skills. When you talk to yourself, you are practicing without any fear of making mistakes. And the more you practice, the more confident you will become. Another simple but powerful method is labeling everything in your house. Take small pieces of paper and write the English names of objects around you. Stick them on your door, your table, your refrigerator, your mirror. Every time you see them, read the words aloud. For example, if you have a book, say, this is a book. The book is on the table. If you have a cup, say, this is a cup. I drink tea from this cup. By doing this, you will train your brain to recognize English words automatically. Step 3. Stop worrying about grammar. Many people believe that they need to learn perfect grammar before they start speaking. This is a big mistake. If you focus too much on grammar, you will always be afraid of making mistakes. Instead, you should learn to speak first and correct later. Think about how children learn language. They don't sit and study grammar books. They listen to their parents, repeat words, and slowly their grammar improves naturally. This is exactly how you should learn. Instead of memorizing grammar rules, focus on learning simple sentences. For example, instead of studying present continuous tense, just learn sentences like, I am eating. She is going to the market. They are playing football. If you keep repeating and using these sentences, grammar will come naturally. The key is to listen more and copy. Listen to how native speakers talk and repeat after them. When you hear a new sentence, don't just understand it. Say it out loud. For example, if you hear, can you help me? Pause the video and say it out loud. Can you help me? Then repeat it 5 times. This repetition trains your tongue and brain to work together. Remember, speaking English is like playing a musical instrument. You need practice, not theory. A guitar player does not become great by reading books about guitar. He becomes great by playing every single day. So stop being afraid of grammar. Grammar is important, but it is not the most important thing. Speaking and listening are... Step 4. Use the power of repetition. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is trying to learn too many things at once. They watch one video, learn some new words, and then move to the next video. This is not the right way. If you want to speak English fluently, you must repeat what you learn many times. Let me ask you, how did you learn your favorite song? Did you listen to it once? Number. You listened to it again and again until the words became part of your memory. This is what you should do with English. If you watch a video or listen to a podcast, don't watch it just once. Watch it 10 times. Yes, 10 times. You may think it's boring, but trust me. This is how your brain learns best. Repetition creates strong connections in your mind. So, find 5 to 10 simple English sentences. Repeat them every day. Say them aloud. Record yourself. Listen to your voice. Correct your mistakes. Do this for a week. After 1 week, those sentences will become automatic. Then add 5 new sentences. This is how you build fluency. One small step at a time. Step 5. Watch English videos. Every day. One of the easiest ways to improve your English is by watching videos. But don't just watch anything. Choose videos that are made for English learners. They should be slow, clear, and easy to understand. Watch with subtitles the first time. Then watch without subtitles. Then try to speak along with the video. This is called shadowing, and it is one of the most powerful techniques for speaking fluently. When you shadow a video, you listen and speak at the same time. This trains your brain to think and speak in English quickly. Even if you can't say it perfectly, just try. Keep repeating. Every day your pronunciation and fluency will improve. And here's something even better. Find one speaker you really like. Maybe a teacher or a native speaker. Watch all their videos. Listen to how they talk. Copy their tone, rhythm, and style. Soon, you will start speaking like them. Step 6. Learn real English, not textbook English. Most English learners know words like, I am fine, thank you, and you? But native speakers rarely talk like that. If you want to sound natural, you need to learn how real people speak. This means learning short phrases, expressions, and daily conversations. For example, instead of saying, I do not know, say, I don't know. Or even more naturally, dunno. Instead of, I am going to, say, I'm gonna. Instead of, let us go, say, let's go. Learning these small changes will make your English sound much more natural. You can learn these phrases from movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos. Write them down, practice them, use them in your daily life. The more you use real English, the more confident you will feel when talking to native speakers. Step 7. Find a speaking partner. This is one of the most important steps. To speak English fluently, you need to speak, not just listen, not just read. You need to speak. If you have a friend who is also learning English, make a rule. Speak only English when you are together. If you don't have a partner, you can find someone online. There are many websites and apps where you can find English-speaking partners. Even if you can only speak for 10 minutes a day, it's enough. Those 10 minutes will help you improve more than 2 hours of studying grammar. When you speak regularly, you will become more confident. You will stop translating in your head. Words will come to you naturally. Speaking is like exercise. The more you do it, the stronger you become. Step 8. Think in English. This is a secret that fluent English speakers use. They think in English. Most learners make the mistake of thinking in their native language and then translating into English. This takes time and causes confusion. Instead, start training your brain to think in English. How? Start with simple things. When you wake up, say to yourself, I'm getting out of bed now. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. Describe your day. In English, in your mind. At first, it will be difficult. You will forget words. That's okay. Just keep trying. Day by day, it becomes easier. And soon, you won't need to translate. English will come naturally. Step 9. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Here's the truth. Every fluent English speaker once made mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. So, don't be afraid. Mistakes are not bad. They are your best teacher. If you say something wrong, it's okay. Learn from it. Repeat it the right way next time. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. Never say, my English is bad. Instead, say, I'm learning. I'm improving every day. This positive mindset is powerful. It gives you confidence, and confidence is the key to fluency. Step 10. Be consistent. You don't need to study for hours, but you need to do something every single day. Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Fluent English is not built in one day. It is built step by step, like a house. Each day, lay one brick. Listen to a video. Repeat a sentence. Talk to a partner. Read something out loud. Think in English. Do it every day. And in 3 to 6 months, you will be shocked by your progress. Step 11. Surround yourself with English. Fluency grows faster when you're surrounded by the language. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country. You can create your own English world. Change your phone to English. Watch English movies and shows. Listen to English music. Follow English channels on YouTube and social media. Put English notes around your house. The more English you see and hear, the more your brain gets used to it. Soon, it will feel natural, just like your first language. Step 12. Learn common phrases, not just words. Many learners memorize vocabulary lists, but native speakers don't use words one by one. They use phrases. Instead of learning the word make, learn the phrase make a decision, make a mistake, make a plan. Instead of just take, learn take a break, take care, take your time. Phrases help you speak faster and sound more natural. So focus on learning full expressions. Use them in sentences. Repeat them often. And soon, they will come out automatically. Step 13. Read out loud. Every day. Reading silently helps you understand, but reading out loud helps you speak. Choose something simple. A short story, an article, even song lyrics. Read it slowly and clearly. Focus on pronunciation. Copy the rhythm and tone. This trains your mouth, your brain, and your memory. Do it daily, even for 5 minutes. Over time, your speaking will become smoother and more confident. Step 14. Record yourself. Speaking. Many learners feel shy about their voice, but listening to yourself is a powerful tool. Use your phone or computer. Record yourself reading a paragraph or talking about your day. Then, listen. At first, you might not like it. That's okay. Just focus. What sounds good? What needs improvement? Compare your recording with native speakers. Try again. Day by day, you'll hear progress. Recording helps you become your own coach. Step 15. Celebrate your progress. Learning English is a journey, not a race, and every step forward is a victory. Did you learn 5 new words today? Celebrate. Did you understand a movie scene without subtitles? Celebrate. Did you have a 2-minute conversation in English? That's huge. Celebrate. When you celebrate small wins, you stay motivated. You enjoy the process, and you keep going. Always remember, fluency is not the final goal. Communication is. If you can understand and be understood, you're already winning. Final thoughts.